let's make some butter slime. Did you really think we were going to use real butter? Okay, here's a recipe for some real butter slime. Once you have your glue and activator of choice, you are ready. A few essentials to add would be some baby oil, some color. It's going to make your basic slime. The activator I used was liquid starch and baking soda. Yep, just keep on mixing it until that slime forms and it pulls away from that bowl. Now it's safe to remove your slime from the bowl, and you're going to need your modeling clay. This is the magic for your slime. This is actually what makes it into butter slime. Once it's mixed together, it's going to be so stretchy, so perfect and fluffy. One of my favorite slimes. Just a little tip, if you add a little bit more modeling clay to your slime, you will have a little bit thicker slime and it will not be as sticky. This is so perfect and fun to stretch and squeeze. Super great for hand stretches and strengthening your hands. Look at how it just spreads like butter, baby. This is going to be my new collection of dump slime.